Baik pada kamera. Udah jadi, kita pada kamera. A página Krishna Deva Bhagavantam Vande Krishna Deva Bhagavantam Vande Krishna Deva Bhagavantam Vande Krishna Deva Bhagavantam Vande Madhamma Samavakaya Samavaya Nijapara Mana
দমকল লাগে এখানে કોઈ আগুন লাগলে দমকল বাহিনী আসে না হ্যাঁ
মেশিনগুলোকে আগে দমকল
এই জল দিয়ে
জল দেওয়া হয়
হ্যাঁ
আমরা জানি ওগুলোকে দমকল মারে কিন্তু এদিককার লোক বলে মারে যত মেশিনপত্র আছে
হ্যাঁ
মেশিনগুলোকে যেগুলো মানে ইঞ্জিন মেশিন আছে সেগুলোকে দমকল মারে
দমকল
ওখান থেকে আগে ধান বানানো মেশিন কোথাও বেশি
potency manifested and sometimes unmanifested. Ego aham bahusami. In the beginning of the creation, by man, Lord, he was thinking, I am alone. And now I am alone. Actually, he was not alone. His potency inside. Then there is Bahushrami. Bahushrami will manifest many forms. That means Lord has something that is called desire. Desire is called Ichha Shakti. Desire potency is a very important. Conscious being. Conscious being. Conscious being में चेतन वस्तु की मूल क्या है? इच्छा शक्ति है. So this is the difference between inert and conscious being. दूसरा इनर्ट जड़ वस्तु. जड़ वस्तु inert being has no desire potential. जड़ वस्तु की कोई इच्छा शक्ति नहीं रहता है. चेतन वस्तु की जो है इच्छा शक्ति रहता है. You understand? Conscious being means that three things are there. How do you know this is conscious being? Feeling, willing, and knowing. The three things are inside the Chetana Vastu, conscious being. Those who are unconscious being, no feeling, no willing, no willing. Feeling, willing, and knowing. So Bhagavan, he is called conscious being. Chetan Vastu. So Lord, he is called Supreme Conscious Being. But so Upanishad explain, Krishna says, Eko Aham. That means I am alone. Then his desire coming in his heart, Bahusami, I will manifest many forms. That means एक वस्तु के द्वारा कभी लीला नहीं होती है. Only one thing cannot perform लीला. So for this regard, Lord is thinking, Eko Ham Bahushyam. I will manifest many forms. So now coming in this way. So now Lord, which potency inside? Ichha Shakti. Without desire potency, no one can do anything. This is true or wrong? And you are sitting here. When will you wake up? When will you stand up? When you leave this place? When you are desiring to come, leave. स्थान त्याग देने की इच्छा होने के साथ ही साथ आप खड़े हो जाते हो, स्थान को त्याग देते। इच्छा शक्ति, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। देन in the same way, Lord, He is called Supreme Conscious Being. A jeev is called minute conscious being. And Anu Chetan. And Lord is called Brihat Chaitanya. Our jeev is called Anu Chaitanya. So this nature of Brihat Chaitanya inside the Anu Chaitanya. That's simple. Because Jivas is called part and parcel of Lord. Mami Bangsa Jiva Luke Jiva Bhuta Sanatana. So now we establish these things. Lord Bhagavan is called Supreme Conscious Being. Brihat only. And his nature also Dharma, that is called desire potency, desire, Ichha Shakti. Jiva is also Ichha Shakti. You have desire potency or not? This is the thing. Only difference, Anutta and Brihatta. Understand? Anutta and Brihatta. This desire in the heart of the living entity, that is very small, minute. A Lord, desire potency inside, that is called Brihat, great. Give an example on the fire and the spark of the fire. अग्नि और अग्नि की स्फुलिंग क्या बोला? चिंगारी हैं? Both Agni, fire has power to burn everything. In the same way, the small fire or the spark of the fire, Chingari, can burn everything and transfer in ashes. अग्नि के चिंगारी यदि कहीं पर पड़ जाए, वो वस्तु के जला करके छाई भस्म कर दे। Brihat Agni also burn everything and transfer in ashes. So now coming in this way, here also explained the Vadanti Tattva Vidastattam Jaj Ganamaddam Brahmeti Paramatmati Bhagavaniti Sabdhati. Lord is one, but he has three aspects: Brahma, Paramatma, and Bhagavan. So see, that is called Advaya Gyan Paratattva Bhagavan. Lord, he is called non-dual. and the supreme personality of Godhead, Swayam Bhagavan. But here the Advaya means not Dayam iti Advayam. He is one without second. Yeah. But he has inconceivable potency, Achinta Shakti. He manifests many forms. Yeah. Understand or not? He has inconceivable potency. That is called Achinta Shakti. Right? So, what is the inconceivable potency? In this material world, we have seen also many kinds of inconceivable potential, Achinta Shakti. Mahaprabhu gave an example, Mani, Mantra and Oshadhi. Mani means jewels. Some kinds of jewels also they have potency. As like we heard about touchstone. Yeah? Parsamani, touchstone. The touchstone you touch with the iron, then iron transfer in gold. But the touchstones, Parsamani will not transfer in gold. Astrology. परसमनी सोने के पर्स से वो एक लोहे के पर्स से वो सोना बन जाता है, किंतु स्वयं सोना नहीं बन रहा। So for this regard, Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave this example. This is called Achinta Shakti. Mantra, if you chant this mantra, then you can get many kinds of miracle things also. Miracle. Yogis with their yoga siddhi, different kinds of yoga siddhi, you can attain their different perfection. They manifested many things. Ashtasiddhi, Navanidhi. Ashtasiddhi means 8 types of perfection. Ashtasiddhi. Navanidhi, they can get 9 types of nidhi, activities also. Ashtasiddhi, Anima, Laghima, they can do this. They can become very small and then become very great. Hanumanji, when he jumped towards Lanka, in the middle of the ocean, and one demon, उसका क्या नाम था? लंकिनी तो लंका में है, समुद्र के वो जो था ना, वो आकर के हनुमान के जो कहन वो निकल नहीं ले पाया। तो हनुमान ने क्या की, बोले ठीक है, उनके मुंह में प्रवेश किया है, और जो अंदर गए वो बृहद धारण किया और उसको मार दिया, तब वो मुक्त हो गया। क्या नाम है? तो हनुमान भी छोटा धारण कर लिया, बृहद धारण कर ऐसा। क्या नाम था? रामायण में है ना? Hanuman, he became very small. and enter in the mouth of that demon. And when enter in the mouth of the demon, then Hanuman again manifest his great form, gigantic form. Then she left her body. क्या नाम लिखा है? सुरसा. Very powerful. Even she can, she also control to Hanuman, just hold the shadow of Hanuman. हनुमान की छाया को पकड़ करके वो हनुमान की भी नीचे खड़के चले. Yes. So in this way Shastra explain Ashtasiddhi, Navanidhi, these things. So this is called Achinta Shakti mantra. Mani, mantra and Ausadhi. Ausadhi means some kinds of herbs. Very powerful. So in this, so for this Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave this example. In this material world, the Achinta Shakti is there. So he is Bhagavan, Supreme Personality of God is and Bhagavan, Brahma. So he has also inconceivable potential, Achinta Shakti is there. Right? So now coming in this way, Lord is one, but he has three aspects: Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan. So first he aspects, that is called Brahma. Actually Brahma, what is the Brahma? Brahma, that is called effulgence of his body. Brahma. Our second Paramatma, super soul, same Lord Brahma, Bhagavan. He resides in the heart of all the living entities in the form of super soul, Paramatma. Paramatma resides in everywhere. And he is called also, what is the duty? What is the duties of Paramatma? Sakshi, witness. He is watching as like CCTV. It's CCTV, just watching. Not saying anything. And recording everything also. What are you doing? That recording. Nice film coming. Paramatma duties this way. Watching. Brahma, Paramatma and Bhagavan. Third aspect, that is called Bhagavan. How do you know he is Bhagavan? Who has 6 opulence. Parashcharya Purna Bhagavan. Vaishcharjasya, Samagrasya, Virja Jasa Sri Gyana Vairagastya Vasanna Bhava Itingana. Who is Bhagavan? He has 6 opulence. Parashcharya Purna Bhagavan. Vaishcharya is the first of opulence. Vaishcharya. Virja, he is very powerful. He controls to everybody, which means just name, fame, reputation. Sri. Sri means beauty. His beauty is very unique and unparalleled. Bhagavan. Or Gyan and Vairagya. Gyan means knowledge. He has vast of knowledge. Or Vairagya means he completely renounced, detached. Everything. So he is called Bhagavan. And another thing, who is Bhagavan? At the time, two opposite things also inside with him. Sarvagata and Mugdhata. He knows everything and simultaneously he does not know anything. How possible? He is pretending, but you know. You know or you don't know, at the time not possible. You say, I don't know. You know what you are saying, I don't know. That is pretending. You know or don't know. There are two words difference. If you know, you are saying, I don't know, that is pretending. Or you don't know, you are saying, I know, that is your pretending. You understand? But Lord, who is Bhagavan, there are two opposite things inside him. Sarvagata and Mugdhata. All-knowing power and completely also innocent. How possible? But this is called also Achinta Shakti. Acha. So now coming in this way, Vadanti tattatta vidastattam jaj ganamadhyam brahmeti paramatmati bhagavan iti sabdate. So now coming in this way. But the principal meaning of Brahma means, क्या बोला? जनरल मीनिंग बोला ब्रह्म है, कुछ नहीं याद है. बोला था ब्रह्म शब्दे मुख्य अर्थ कहे भगवान. ब्रह्म शब्दे मुख्य अर्थ में द प्रिंसिपल मीनिंग ऑफ ब्रह्म, दैट इज कॉल्ड भगवान. गौण अर्थ एंड मुख्य अर्थ. गौण मीन्स secondary meaning, और मुख्य मीन्स प्रिंसिपल मीनिंग. Gauna meaning, secondary meaning of Brahma, that is called effulgence of his body. Our principal meaning of Brahma, that is called Bhagavan. It's what the Chaitanya Chaitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. Brahma Sabde Mukharte Kahi Bhagavan. Which Bhagavan? And he is unique and unparalleled. Unique, he is one. And no one equal to him. Who can equal with Lord? No one to equal to Lord. Even no one to hire to Lord. If no one equal to him, how possible? We hire. So for this regard, Upanishad explain. When we discuss any subject, that two meaning is there. Two subjects. One is called Gaunartha, another is called Mukhartha. Understand? Mukhartha means principal meaning. मुख्यार्थ और गौणार्थ सेकेंडरी मीनिंग है। Effulgence. Who has Krishna's bodily effulgence called the Brahma. So Advaitavadis, they accept Gaunartha. And they accept the Gaunartha. When the principal meaning is coming and clearly, that there is no need to accept the secondary meaning. These are things. Just give an example. Gangayam Ghosapalli. The Ghosapalli, milkman. They are living inside they are living, where they are living? On the bank of the Ganges. But here the Sanskrit word saying, Gangayam Ghosapalli. That the Ghosapalli, the milkman, they live in Ganges. But no one living inside the water of the Ganges. There are people that are living in where? On the bank of the Ganges. But here saying inside the Ganges. Understand? Another example is giving. He is fat, but he does not eat daytime. This person is very fat, but he does not eat daytime. ये व्यक्ति दिन में भोजन नहीं करते, किंतु बहुत स्थूलकाय है, मोटा है. So that means he eats night time. दिन में भोजन नहीं करते. ये बात सही है, झूठ नहीं है. तो मोटा कैसे हो गया? How he is very fat. That means he eats in the night time. Simple, right? So now coming in this way. So Mukhartha and Gaunartha. When you discuss any subject, we have to discuss two things. One is called Mukhartha and Gaunartha. Principal meaning and secondary meaning. But where is the principal meaning is you are looking. So no need inquire about the secondary meaning. It's simple. So now coming in this way. So Vadanti Tattvavidas Tattam Jaj Ganimadhyam Brahmeti Paramatmati Bhagavaniti Siddhate. Jivas now is coming in the परब्रह्मे वैसे नारायण नाम सरस्वज्य पूर्ण लोके कांत भगवान वेद भागवत उपनिषद आगम पूर्ण तत्व तारिक ही नहीं जार सम. So Brahma Sabda, now we coming. Jasya Prabha Prabhavatu Jagadanda Koti Kotisu Asesa Vasudhavi Vibhuti Bhinnam. Tad Brahma Niskalam Anantam Asesa Bhutam. Brahma Samhita given the Jasya Prabha Prabhavatu Jagadanda Koti Asi Kotisu Asesa Vasudhadhi Vibhuti Bhinnam Tad Brahma Niskalam Ananta Asesa Bhutam Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Vajami Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Bhajami Govindam Adi Purusam Tamaham Bhajami. Brahma Samhita gives evidence. The effulgence of the body of Lord, Bhagavat Anga Kanti, illuminated millions universe. अनंत कोटि विश्व ब्रह्मांड की प्रकाशित किससे होती है? भगवान की अंग कांति के द्वारा. केवल भगवान की नौका चंद्रमा की जो छटा जो है, and the toenails, effulgence of understand? What do you understand? अनंत करोड़ विश्व ब्रह्मांड एक नहीं, millions universe illuminated, just that effulgence of the toenails of Govind. गोविंद की नखचंद्रामा की जो छटा, उसके द्वारा ही अनंत करोड़ एक नहीं, अनंत करोड़ विश्व ब्रह्मांड क्या हो जाए, प्रकाशित हो जाए. जहाँ सूर्य के रश्मि, the rays of sun actually coming from where? From the toenails of Krishna. Shakti, because Lord has innumerable potency Shakti, and that Shakti manifested, prakashit. That is it. Sometimes direct or sometimes indirect. Pratyaksha and Paroksha. These things also. Even in this material world, we name one kind of stone that is called Surjakanta Mani. One kind of money, jewels. When the rays of the sun reflected on that the stone, you can see that stone is as like second sun. द्वितीय सूर्य के वहां उसको दिखाई पड़ता है. That name is called Surjakanta Mani. Because that the Mani taking all the rays of the sun. In the same way, Lord invested all his potency in the any jivas. That jivas can do anything. So we discuss Brahma, Shiva, how they create and how they destroy. Creation and destruction. Actually, all the potency is coming from Lord Sri Hari Govinda. This is the thing. Brahma can't keep, Brahma is thinking, I am the creator. There is only this word. Or the false egos. I am the creator. Shivji is thinking, I am the destroyer. I said, this is not true. He is giving everything. We are thinking, I am doer. Actually, we are not the doer. Lord potential is coming, then we perform the activities. I am raising my hand. Actually, I can't raise my hand. When the potency of Lord coming, then I can raise. Otherwise, if I have no potency, then I can't raise my hand. So for this, but conditioned soul, that the false ego, I am doer. That Sanskrit word is called Mitha Abhiman. Mitha means false egos. I am doer. So that means originally all kinds of potency coming from Lord. I am doing this. So yesterday I told, what is it? Man. What is the man? Man. But another is also Suddha Abhiman. Suddha Abhiman, meaning pure egos in transcendental world. As like Nanda Maharaj, he is saying, I am the father of my son Krishna. So Nanda Maharaj is saying, I am the father of my son Krishna. That is called Suddha Abhiman. So two kinds of Abhiman, egos. One is called material, Jada Abhiman, and it is called Suddha Abhiman. You understand? You understand or not? Nanda Maharaj is saying, Jada Abhiman and Suddha Abhiman. Suddha. Jada Abhiman means Mitha Abhiman. Jada means Mitha. False. False ego. Because we are now in this material, for this we are saying this Jada Abhiman, Mitha Abhiman, false ego. I am man, I am a woman, I am this body, I am doer. मैं करने वाला. Understand? मैं करने वाला. हिंदी में क्या बोलते? मैं करने वाला. A transcendental world, that also Abhiman, that is called perfect Abhiman, Suddha Abhiman. I am doing. Krishna says, I am doing. I am doing this. Nanda Maharaj is saying, I am the father of my son Krishna. And in this material world, people also saying, one person, mundane people saying, I am the father of my son. This is true or wrong? समझ में आया कि नहीं? क्या बोलो? In this material world, one person is saying, I am the father of my son. मैं मेरे पुत्र के मैं पिता हूं. ये जड़ अभिमान. किंतु इसको क्या कहा जाता है? Jal Abhiman. Then this Abhiman, material world, this Abhiman, that is called Tatkalik Sattva. Tatkalik means in this moment, at that moment, truth. Temporary truth. So now coming to the two concepts. One is called absolute truth, and another is called temporary truth. Tatkalik Sattva. उस समय तक in this material world, Advaitavadi, they are saying everything is what? False. But Vaishnava philosophy is, you cannot say everything is false. That false is called truth. In this matter, that truth is called temporary truth. I am this body or not? Yes, I am this body. But this body is temporary. But Nanda, Jasoda, Subal, Siddham, in transcendental world, their body is called Aprakita, eternal and transcendent. You understand? I am the mother of this my son. This is the temporary. When body change and everything is also change. Relationship also change. Look this. In this material. So for this regard, in this material world, everything is also changeable. But the transcendental world, Golok Vrindavan, that is called eternal and transcendental. And that is not changeable. So now coming this, just I return back this thing. समय हो गया ना? चलो. ये वदन्ते तत्व विदस्तत्तम जस्य प्रभा यदि सही ये ब्रह्म भरितम ना जस्य प्रभा प्रभवतो जगदंड कोटि कोटिषु अशेष वसुधावि विभूति विभूति भिन्नम तद ब्रह्म निष्कलम अनंत अशेष भूतम गोविंदम आदि पुरुषम तमहं भजामि. Now coming in this way, Advaitavadis, they are saying the Brahma. But now coming in this way, Vaishnava Siddhanta, what is the Brahma? Sagato, Sajatiya, Vijatiya, Bhed Rahita Brahma. Very difficult to understand again. ये ब्रह्म भगवान इज ब्रह्म ब्रह्म शब्द अर्थ फर्स्ट I told the Brahma means the principal meaning of Brahma means भगवान. ब्रह्म शब्द मुख्य अर्थ कई भगवान. तदुर्थ there is no one equal to him and no one higher than him. So he is called Bhagavan. He is called Brahma. Advaitavadi is Brahma and Vaishnava philosophy is Brahma, not same. So now, so what sloka I did say? क्या बोला? स्वगत, स्वजातीय, विजातीय, भेद रहित ब्रह्म. Now coming in this way. Let me learn Siddhanta. You understand or not? What did you understand? What is Brahma? Vaishnava Siddhanta, what is the Brahma? Brahma Sabde, learn this Bengali verse. Chaitanya Charitamrita. Brahma Sabde Mukhya Arthe Ahe Bhagavan. ब्रह्म शब्दे मुख्य अर्थे कहे भगवान. तदूर्ध्व से नहीं समान है। और गौणार्थ the effulgence, the body of Lord. Always remember these two things. Mukhartha and Gunartha. So now coming this way, the Sagato Sajatiya Vijatiya Bhed Rahit Brahma. Sagata means all his limbs and body. And that means Lord, all his limbs and body that get transcendental. And with his any limbs and body, he can perform all kinds of activities. We cannot do this way. We can perform, but with conditioned soul, they can perform the activity, any kind of activity, with his only one limbs. Understand? But he is Bhagavan, Brahma. He can perform any kinds of activities with his any limbs and body. He can see with his eyes. He can eat with his eyes. He can walk with his eyes. Look there. Jivas, we can only see with our eyes. We cannot walk with our eyes. We cannot eat with our eyes. But who is Bhagavan? Because all his limbs and body, eternal. So giving how to improve? Yeah, how to prove? Angani jassa sakalendri vitti vanti pasanti kalanti chirang jaganti. Govindam adi purusam tamam bhajan. Look this. Lord, with his eyes he can do. Because all his limbs and body are eternal and transcendent. Actually. We can see anything with our eyes only. We can hear with our ears. But Lord, he can do everything. So this is the evidence from Brahma Sali. Or Sagat Sajatiya, all the Vishnu Tattvas, they are non-different from themselves. Issare bhed manile hoito aparad. If you think Krishna is one Bhagavan, and Ramchandra is another Bhagavan, Nrsimhadev another Bhagavan, this is called offense. Lord is one, but he manifests many forms. And Sarup Tadrup Vaiva Jiva Pradhana Rupin. He manifests many forms. Which forms? Vaikuntha, Narayan form, same Krishna, Vaidnandan Krishna. He manifests in Vaikuntha in the form of Chaturbhuj Narayan. Ajodhya, Ramachandra. Actually, this Ramachandra is non-different from Krishna. Ramachandra is Krishna, he is non-different from Narayan. Siddhanta Tattva Vedesu Obi. According to the conception of the scriptures, there are no difference between Krishna and Narayan. Rasanat Kusate. But according to the Rasa Vichar, that time we are saying different activity, different forms. Because Lord, he relishes different mellows from the heart of his devotees. For this regard, at a time, he manifests many forms. Vaikuntha in Vaikuntha, Narayan form, Ayodhya, Ramchandra form, Dargadhish Krishna, Mathuradhish Krishna, and Vrindavan, Golok Vrindavan. Eh? This thing. At a time, he staying in the lap of Mother Jashoda. At a time, he performed sweet, amorous pastimes with the gopis. Eh? This is the thing. This thing evidence is Srimad Bhagavatam also. Where? Which sloka? When Krishna entered in the arena of Kamsa, eh? And that time, different types of the devotees, Ras Madhuri, they are looking, Krishna is different. But the slope. Mallanang Asani. Now, those who are wrestlers, they think, oh, he is very powerful. His body is as like thunderbolt. Ninang Naravaram. All the kings, they think, oh, he is the highest king. Same Krishna. Krishna is same. But different people, they are looking to different mood. Those are the mood of gopis. They think, oh, he is as like a Cupid, Kamdev. Those are the mood of Vatsalabha. They are thinking Krishna is as like small baby. Same Krishna. But different people, they are looking different forms, different. For this regard given again, Jatha Vaidurja Manivat. Vaidurja Manivat means one kind of jewels. And inside the 7 color. But angle of your vision, you can see different and colors is there. So that money's name is called Vaidurja money. And in the same way, Krishna is one, Bhagavan. According the mood of the devotee, loss of the devotees, they are looking different ways. Those who are Vatsalabha, Vatsalas Bhakta, they are thinking, oh, Krishna is very small baby. Understand? Other Madhurya Bhav, they are thinking, Krishna is very nice, beautiful, youthful form. Navajauvanancha. Advaitam, Achyutam, Anadi, Ananta Rupam. Addam Purusham, Navajauvanancha, Vedesu Durlab, or Durlab, Atma Bhaktesu. Govindam Adi Purusham, Tamaham Bhajami. Brahma Samhita gives you. All the evidence you can take from Brahma Samhita. If you read Brahma Samhita, then give evidence. Otherwise, these impartialists, they don't accept this Brahma Samhita. For this regard, they are afraid. Because if they accept the Brahma Samhita, they cannot establish their philosophy. Mayavad philosophy cannot establish. Mayavadi, they accept Srimad Bhagavad, but they don't follow. They accept, but they don't follow Srimad Bhagavad. They are saying his word. They are giving their own interpretation. Understand? This is the problem. You are listening to everything, but what will do, what not will do, you decide already. Understand?
Listen to everything.
You
You've already decided what you're going to do.
You listen to everything, but what will do, what not will do,
You've already decided.
already you decide. This is true or wrong? হ্যাঁ বলে যা কিছু বলবে বলো গুরুদেব বামন গোস্বামী বলতে হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ বলে যত বড় কানকে করেছি কে বলে পিঠকে করেছি কুলো পিঠে বেঁধেছি কুলো হ্যাঁ আর কানকে ভুলে গেছি বাংলা কি বলে হ্যাঁ বাংলা ভুলে গেছি কি বলে বাংলা বলতো গুরুদেবের ভাষা হ্যাঁ পিঠে বেঁধেছি কুলো কানকে করেছি হ্যাঁ
Lip service. Lip service.
Well, if you will beating on the back, but you put one, push that thing. No problem. Because you are not touching my back. আর কানকে করেছি কালা পিঠে বেঁধে ভুলে গেছি গুরুদেবী বাংলা প্রভাব এক প্রকার প্রভাব হ্যাঁ what you will do, what not will do, already you decide. Understand? But here you know, you completely surrender. Then understand. So in the same way, why I am saying, because Mayavadis, impartialists, they already decided. What they decided? मायावादी डिसाइडेड क्या फिलोसफी ये एको ब्रह्म सत्य जगत मिथ्या जीव ब्रह्म न पर ब्रह्म सत्य ओनली ब्रह्म दैट इज एब्सोल्युटली ट्रूथ इन दिस मटेरियल वर्ल्ड व्हाट यू आर लुकिंग एवरीथिंग इज फॉल्स देयर आर नो जीवस नो लिविंग एंटिटीज जैसे ब्रह्म एंड कवर्ड विथ माया then Brahma is giving identity, I am Jivas. Understand? This is called Mayavad philosophy. First understand Mayavad philosophy. What is the Mayavadi you are saying? Shankar philosophy. Mayavad philosophy means Shankar philosophy. Shankar philosophy is Brahma Satta Jagat Mithya. Brahma Jivai par napara. Jiva Brahma par napara. Jeev, that is no jivas. Actually, Brahma covered with the Maya. So now Brahma is giving identity, I am Jiva. You are not Jiva. You are Brahma. So saying that Aham Brahmasmi, Pragyanam Brahma, Sarvam Khalidam Brahma, Tattamasi. They are saying this. Always first you understand the Mayavad philosophy. What Shankaracharya is saying? What is he saying? Then you can cut the Mayavadi philosophy. So the Mayavadi, they read Srimad Bhagavatam. They read Gita, Bhagavad, everything so. But establish their own philosophy. On philosophy. What the philosophy? Only Brahma. Gopis, they also giving Raslila Katha with the Gopis. Gopis Raslila Katha. Bhagavad. Then saying Gopis, they become Brahma. This is the thing. So saying the Brahma, jo impartialist, if you say anything to impartialist, they don't accept your any idea. Because they already established their own philosophy. You understand or not? This is the thing. मायावादी अपने फिलोसफी को स्थिर रखेंगे हजार कुछ भी बोले वो सब कुछ बोल करके अंत में क्या बोलेंगे सब ब्रह्म सो नाउ कमिंग दिस स्वगत सजातीय और विजातीय भेद रहित विजातीय मीन्स विच opposite of the opposite things. How possible there is a non-difference? Maybe tomorrow we'll discuss. विजाति तो भेद रहित कैसे हो? You understand or not? Vishnu Tattva. All the Vishnu Tattva. That's Sajati. All Vishnu Tattva is what? Same. And Vishnu, Narayan, Ram, Nishingha, Kolki, Baraha, all they are called Vishnu Tattva. So there are no difference. Ram, Krishna, Hari, Devi. और स्वगत भेद रहित क्या बोला? All his senses, Lord, all his senses, he can perform all his activities. Any activities he can do. It's simple. और विजातीय, this is difference. What is the bija? Bija to understand. Bija means which is opposed from him. But how to non-difference from him? If anything is opposed, so how is that is the opposed? Each thing is opposed. उल्टा सीधा ड्यूअलिटी में उल्टा हो गया, शब्द नहीं है. As we give an example, which thing is opposed? Alo and andhakar. Alo means light, andhakar means darkness. This is the opposite or not? Opposed. प्रत्येक वस्तु, हिंदी में समझने का, प्रत्येक वस्तु के क्या होता है? विपरीत शब्द है. विपरीत शब्द, ऑपोजिट वर्ड्स है. आलो अंधकार, लाइट एंड डार्क है. धनी दरिद्र. धनी मीन्स रिच एंड पोर है. ऑपोजिट है. And hot and cold. Then opposite. So now coming this Bhagavan is Vijatiya and non-difference. So how possible this established? Sagato, Sajatiya, Vijatiya Bhedrai. So Lord and his Maya. Bhagavan and Maya completely what? Opposite. Bhagavan is very merciful. Premamay Bhagavan, Dayamay Bhagavan. और माया अंधकार. कृष्ण सूर्य समो माया अंधकार. जहां कृष्ण तहां नहीं मायार अधिकार. Krishna is as like delightful sun, प्रकाशमान सूर्य. उदाहरण दे. हिंदी समझते कि नहीं? क्या बोला? सूर्य की किसके साथ तुलना दिया? बोलो. कृष्ण के सूर्य के साथ तुलना दिया. कृष्ण सूर्य समो. Krishna is as like sun. Krishna Surya. Or Maya, opposite. Maya, that is called dark and andhakar. So Krishna Surya Samo Maya andhakar. Jahan Krishna tahan nahi Maya adhikar. Where is Krishna? There is no Maya. Where is sunlight coming? There is no darkness. So now how to reconcile? Here is saying this word जी हाँ, क्या बोला? विजातीय भेद रहित, देयर इज नॉन डिफरेंस है, which is completely opposed and non difference.
एग्जाम्पल दिया है।
अरे सौजाते विजाते तो हो गया, छोड़ दो। अभी विजातीय के हम जो कह रहे हैं, विजातीय भेद रहित, भेद नहीं है, नॉन डिफरेंस। विजातीय वस्तु में तो विजातीय तब तो होते हैं, भेद हो तब तो विजातीय होगा है? जैसे स्त्री और पुरुष, भेद है कि नहीं है? स्त्री पुरुष, पुरुष स्त्री, भेद है कि नहीं है? और भगवान में कह रहे भेद रहित है, भेद कैसे? माया और भगवान, उदाहरण इसको समझना बहुत कठिन है। क्या बोल रहे आप? क्या उदाहरण दे? हैं? चुंबक क्या?
सजातीय यानी एक ही प्रकार, विजातीय यानी अलग प्रकार। ये संज्ञाएं शास्त्रों में दी गई है चुंबक का उदाहरण। कह रहे हैं चुंबक के दो ध्रुव होते हैं, दक्षिण और उत्तर। लोग चुंबक के दो टुकड़े इकट्ठा लाने पर ये चुंबक का दक्षिण ध्रुव दूसरे चुंबक के दक्षिण ध्रुव के निकट लाते हैं तो चिपकता नहीं, चिपकता नहीं तो एक दूसरे को दूर करके यदि चुंबक का दक्षिणी ध्रुव दूसरे चुंबक के उत्तर ध्रुव पे लाया जाए तो उसे दक्षिण ध्रुव प्लस उत्तर ध्रुव विजातीय और दक्षिण ध्रुव प्लस दक्षिण ध्रुव यानी जो खेल रहा है वो बोल रहे हैं विजातीय और जो उत्तर
उससे क्या भेद रहित तो होगा ना, भेद नहीं रहेगा। जैसे आप उदाहरण, जैसे शास्त्र में उदाहरण दे रहे, कृष्ण के साथ किसके साथ उदाहरण दिया? सूर्य के साथ। माया की माया कृष्ण से विपरीत वस्तु है कि नहीं? माया किसके साथ तुलना दे रहे हैं? अंधकार है। कृष्ण सूर्य सम, माया अंधकार। और जहां कृष्ण तहां नहीं महादेव अधिकार। हेयर इज कृष्ण, देयर इज नो माया। माया कहां रहे? माया है क्या चीज? माया भगवान की शक्ति है कि नहीं? माया शक्ति, जीव शक्ति, माया शक्ति, चित्त शक्ति, माया भगवान की शक्ति है कि नहीं है? अच्छा, अभी समझने के प्रयास करो। माया शक्ति, अगर शास्त्र क्या बोल रहे हैं? शक्ति शक्तिमान और दौर अभेदो, देयर आर नो डिफरेंट शक्ति एंड शक्तिमान। तो माया शक्ति, तो शक्ति शक्तिमान से अभेद बता गया। माया कहां से निकली है? माया कहां से है? भगवान से है। काया और छाया, काया में बॉडी, हमारे बॉडी है इसलिए छाया आ रहे हैं। यदि मेरा बॉडी नहीं है, इफ आई हैव नो बॉडी, छाया कहां से आ गई? तो भगवान तो इसमें जो कह रहे हैं, तो अभेदत्व कैसे सृष्टि स्थापित कैसे करेंगे? नॉन डिफरेंस कैसे? शक्ति शक्ति मानो दौर अभेद, भगवान भगवान में शक्ति में कोई भेद नहीं है। चित शक्ति, जीव शक्ति और माया शक्ति, भगवान की त्रिविध शक्ति बताया गया। ये शक्ति कहां से निकला? भगवान से है। तो ये माया शक्ति कहां थी, कहां? ये भी विचार है।
ये माया भगवान से दूर है।
इतना सहज नहीं है। अच्छा चलो प्रसाद पाओ और दमकल जाओ। प्रसाद पाओ और दमकल जाओ। दमकल, ये क्या पता नहीं, एक जगह के नाम है दमकल। अभी हम लोग जहां पर जा रहे हैं सुंदरबन, यू हैव कम इन सुंदरबन, व्हिच वन? सुंदरबन। सुंदरबन बंगाल पचार, सुंदरबन। दमकल, द प्लेस इज नेम दमकल। अरे बाबा चलो, गुड।